Wait, that implies that I'm wicked. This person turning, no good. And now we go in the left lane. God damn it. Oh my god. Oh, can I get through there? No. Damn. Damn, that'd be nice if I could get through there. I probably could, but, you know. Me. Oh, a Ducati. That's hectic. Dude, we were in this intersection. That was nice. What a nice man. We were at this intersection over here, turning this way yesterday, and there was an H2, a freaking H2 just over here, waiting to turn that way, waiting to turn left. And I've never seen one in real life before, because I'm like heaps new to the motorcycle community, so I was so excited, bro. I hope I got it on camera. Nice little Ducati, not sure what kind. Cheat code if you guys are ever coming along here. Usually this left lane is pretty clear, people forget about it. I mean, it is pretty new, so fair enough. A lot of people go right here though, so the two right hand lanes always fill up and cause issues, whereas this lane is mostly empty all the time. Oh, a Z. Fuck yeah. I've got some car projects going on as well. Hoping to do some content with them, like, in the near future. Hopefully not so distant. I've got an engine swap car that I want to get on the road before the end of the year, but that one's kind of relying on some other people and other plans kind of working out as well, so I don't know if that's going to be successful. That is sick. Fuck yeah. Wow. Haven't seen that before. This guy turned from there into here. Why? Oh, there's the A90 Supra. Get fucked. Get fucked. Those things are so nice, man. Pictures on the internet just don't do them justice. You have to see them in person. They're so nice, man. Such a cool powertrain. The body lines, oh man. That's it, boys. That's it. That corner is so scary. Freaks me out every time, even in the fucking car, man. People take it so crazy fast, it's ridiculous. I love this little bit. So fun. Oh, nice breeze, man. Love going over the water. It's fucking crazy, dude. Man, I love being outside. Fucking hell. Being on a bike just makes it 10 times better. Easy. Easy. Fuck these bumps, man. Little Kona end. That's nice. Nice. I love that blue. It's a nice blue. Had to focus around that corner, it's a bit sketchy. So, I probably could. Not enough time. Not enough time. Ooh, doggies. Playing in the park. Patrol. Let's go. Mario. In line. Biker boy. Oh, there's no one in that lane. I need to reorient my hand. Throttle hand. Ah, that's better, I think. Yeah, that's much better. Fuck yeah. What are we doing? Have we just hit the traffic? Hey, you can't do that. I hate going out that outside lane though. People park there. People park along there. Oh, he's turning, that's why. Man, this corner is sketchy too. Man, Sydney's just full of sketchy corners, hey. This corner's sketchy because people fucking brake halfway through because they turn at these lights, they turn right here, and they brake halfway through the corner. Super sketchy when you're on a bike, man. You just gotta take it easy. Not be a dickhead. Which I struggle with sometimes, man. But you should always drive safe and within your ability. Otherwise, you're at risk of hurting yourself and others. And that is not nice. It's a lot more fun to be safe, you know. Oh, fuck. I had my indicator on that entire time. Oopsies. $99 bikes. I wonder if that's just mountain bikes. I think it is. Welcome to Sydney fucking traffic. I hate it with a fucking passion, as does everybody else who lives in this city. Sydney is so fucking big, man. Why is it so big? Like, look at Greater Sydney on a map. It's fucking crazy, dude. Maybe I go in the left lane. Cover my brakes. This is not an ideal situation. These lanes are so skinny. This guy comes on my ass, I'm fucked. Oh, that was close. Very uncomfortable. Did not enjoy. I'm still recording. Hectic. Honda gang. Let's go. Can I get in front of these fools? Fuck. I think this guy was trying to let me in. I was not fast enough. Go up the left lane here. Oh no, this guy's turning. After this guy goes, then I'll go up the left lane. Speed camera. Oh, fucking. Ugh. I hate pre-roadwork roads. Roads before roadwork. Because they're just in the worst fucking condition, man. They like prepare the road for the work or some bullshit. Oh, I was going way too fast. Way too fast. Had to stop real quickly. I wonder how much you can hear from outside my helmet. Probably not a lot. I guess it depends how loudly I'm talking, right? I'm gonna have to test that with some friends. Do I want to be obnoxious? Well, I've got the silencer in, so... I love riding my motorcycle. I don't love being stuck in traffic. And the gamble up here is the person in front turning right at the lights Because if they are, we're gonna be stuck behind them. And they're not. Sweet. Can mosey on through. Oh god. It's so claustrophobic in here, man. So claustrophobic. The lanes are too close together. Way too close together. And no one leaves gaps for motorcycles, bro. I just want to go through and take my... Okay, fucking scooters. Fucking scooters, bro. Granny shifting for the win. Do I want to get in the left lane? I don't think so. People are parking. But people also turn right from the right-hand lane, and that causes issues. It causes issues. It shouldn't here though, because they've got a turning arrow. I'm gonna mosey on over though. And I didn't need to. Oh well. Now somebody's turning right here. Maybe. Oh no, it's just the lag from the lights turning. No, somebody's turning right. Fuck me. God damn it. I chose wrong. I need to adjust my brake pedal. That's real sketchy.